What's good, y'all? It is day number 9 of my trading journey, and honestly, we're locked in. My first time actually placing a trade and watching the charts on Trade Locker, so that's good. Let me show y'all what we're dealing with, family. So we're on ES. Yes, I get it. I know. I traded on CPI. Yeah, I traded on news. The market was actually okay. Like, it was really fine. There was no, like, news candles. Well, there literally was one. And then it went literally right back to what it was. I learned that I'm not going to trade on CPI again. CPI or PPI or DPI or whatever it is. Whatever the PIs are. But yeah. So, let me quickly go through this trade. So it's actually crazy because this is my first time. Like, I never take trades on ES, but this trade is on ES because the market was just looked amazing. Look at that market open. Okay, so first thing I noticed was SMT, a bullish SMT. I mean, a bearish SMT for both time frames on NQ and ES, and literally it formed after that. It formed another SMT going down like this. So I'm like, okay, let me wait for all my confluences to get hit. So my fair value gap, because my 4-hour fair value gap that I labeled out, I'm going to label all my stuff from now on. But this is a quick video because it's kind of late, and this is the only trade I took today. So yeah. Like, I'm yawning, like, it's crazy, bro. So this video is going to be very precise, very quick. So I traded on CPI. I waited for my key level to get hit. It got hit. I'm like, okay. On NASDAQ, it didn't get hit. But when I went back to ES, I wasn't checking it. That was another mistake I didn't make. I wasn't checking it back and forth, which I should have been doing. So I was like, I check on ES. I'm like, oh, we're bullish. So that means NASDAQ are going to be bullish. But, like, NASDAQ, I didn't really like it. I didn't like the price movement of NASDAQ today. But, yes, I could have definitely taken a trade on NASDAQ. But I would have to definitely watch the volatility, because the volatility was very not the best. But it's a news day. You live, you learn. I'm going to be better tomorrow. Never trade on a news day. I think I was very excited to place a trade because I've never placed a trade on Trade Locker. Like, seriously, like, I'm looking at this chart, this. Like, I've never done that before. So I was excited to do that. I'm going to be a lot better tomorrow. So today we found a very decent trade. As you can see, like, this is what it looks like. All right. Also, I would have made a lot more money on it, but all that matters right now is the wins. And also, I made a mistake on the lots. My NASDAQ lot sizes are a lot different than the ES lot sizes, which is good to note. So I decided that I am going to trade on ES after I saw NASDAQ just not do what I want. It didn't hit any key levels at all. So I'm like, yo, why am I doing this? But yeah, give me 1 second, y'all. All right, so we back. I really don't have much to say else, but I'll just close it in saying it was a pretty good trade. I mean, it wasn't a lot of money. I made like $200, but, like, I think that was the best thing for me, is to just not have any attachment to the money. Like, even though I'm treating it like I'm trying to pass a funded account, it's a demo account. But I want to get 10%, earn 10%, which would be 10K by the end of the month, which is not hard at all. And then by the end of April, I want to have 20% from 100K. So 20% of 110,000. So 10% and then 10% gain. So 20K. or a little bit more than that. I think I'll have like 130K, probably. But yeah, y'all, I think the best time to trade is right now. I mean, we're in school. We ain't got, like, y'all gotta just lock in, bro. Just lock in. If this is what you want to do, then just lock in on it. I mean, trading, like, there's no anything. There's no parameters. There's nothing. It's either your bias and your trade setup is correct or it's not correct. Like, and that's why I like it so much, because you'll either be right or you'll either be wrong. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's only two options. You can either be right or wrong, and you have to deal with that. You have to deal with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, y'all. Yeah, keep trading. Comment down below. On God. I'll see y'all later.